don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Come to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by Kumkani.
Yeah, Steve. Welcome to the new season, Baba. 3-point panel.
Yes.
This panel is 3-point.
Yes.
But in the Ibonile, Menangena Sawanafana.
Sure.
But Pirates Dalile, but in the Ibonile, by Interbenza ground. Utilta, we look from midfield to Paranil. So I was on the panel. Udlala ibhola ukubangaphathela abantu because wonke umuntu umakiwe la so i-backline esikhukhuni amabhola bezitholela nje ama-free ball from ama-players eBhakani and man into engingayithandi kuma-supporters eBhakani i-patience iyafuneka enye into isizini iyaqala i-patience iyafuneka angeke ujaja amaplayer amanje isizini ngekaqala iqala vandag sesiyabona ukuthi iBhakani yemele lenze njani next week bazodlala neSundowns angithola but into engibona i-performance last week i-momentum last week iPirates iyayilahla vandag angithola namhlanje abadlalanga njenga last week so but into engizoyisho mfana kithi i-3-point yaspanel danko
Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Dango.